The next flow blind hole cleaner is a unique device developed by Nextflow that is different from anything else on the market. Typically, blind hole cleaners have come with some sort of a vacuum gun that blows into the hole and then also vacuums at the same time any sort of dirt and debris that the blind hole cleaner supposedly removes. However, such a design is not very effective because the vacuum actually works against the blow-off, and the blow-off works actually against the vacuum. So the device, unless it's used very, very carefully, does not necessarily always work very well. The Nextflow blind hole cleaner is designed to simply blow into that hole and blow all that dirt and debris out and then collect it into either an attached bag on the manual system or to be conveyed away to another location in the semi-automatic system that is also available. There are attachments for different diameters, and there are different nozzle lengths for different depths of the blind hole. The device works in such a way that no dirt and debris leaves that blind hole and goes over the part that's being manufactured or being drilled. It is simply conveyed away, so it provides for a much safer operation than just using open holes, and it's very, very well designed so that you don't have the problems you have with the older designs utilizing the vacuum and blow off at the same time. The blind hole cleaner is an extremely flexible device. Special systems have been designed for different diameters and also for very, very small diameter, very narrow depth holes, which a lot of blind hole cleaners simply cannot address.